Hello everyone. In this session, I will share Atusums RIP preview. The first thing to make sure dongle connected. Rocky ARM. Double-click Atusums RIP to launch a PP. Enter into Atusums RIP. Job 1 is default working window. Create new job is very handy. Click Add Picture to import PNG file. Ctrl plus mouse roller to zoom in out. This image size is 881 by 881 millimeters. Now I tried to change size to 100 by 100 millimeters. Clip mode that allows size change side by side. The size is now 80 by 85 millimeters. Go back to select mode. Change size to 50 by 50 millimeters. Height also need to be revised to 50 millimeters. We got a 50 by 50 millimeters image. Now I import several images. Hold Ctrl plus left mouse button to select. Next thing I am going to do is to revise the size to the same. Preview icon is to zoom to fit. I now do some rough alignment. Select all. Click Align to Top. Next step, I adjust to horizontal interval. The value I set 20 millimeters. It seems exceed to print area. Narrow the interval to 10 millimeters. Left and right side is not a line. Horizontal alignment to adjust the position. That is what I want. Click RIP icon. We will see preview of print. I select vertical center. Print size is 295 by 275 millimeters. A lot of blank. Undo vertical center. Advance options. Color mode has 3 options. Follow the picture, RGB, CMYK. I use default option follow the picture. On the right-hand side, it is the image color mode. W1 stand for white ink. There are few options. %100% white under any color pixel by default. This option is to narrow or expand white ink layer in different direction. The value range is 0.1 millimeters to 10 millimeters. Normally, we set it between 0.1 to 1 millimeter. Keep 0 in this case. W2 stand for varnish. The next thing I use RIP to create PRN file. Driver setting. Combination is printing DPI. 720 by 1080 and 720 by 1440 are two options. 720 by 1080 stand for 12 pass. 720 by 1440 stand for 16 pass. RGB CMYK. Equipment, keep it as is. Ink density is able to change printing color a bit. The value changed by control bar. The value range is -3 to 3. I still keep it 0 here. Other properties also keep as is. Width and height compensation keep as is. Output setting keep as is. Click Print. This is job list what we handle, working in progress and history. It includes details for every job. Storage path. Preview at right-hand side. 10x speed. Print job is completed. We can find this file on the desktop. Back to job 2. We can use function auto layout, F2 to array. I make an example here. Three rows and one column. This is the change after. That is what I want. RIP, again. The new size is 295 by 176 millimeters. Select 720 by 1440 dpi. 1 copy. The other parameter keep as is. Print. 20x speed. RIP. Finished. We have new file output. Finish the job page, I will save it. The file was saved at desktop. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching.